Hi, my name is Rohit. I had been suffering from acidity related problems for quite a few years, and all this time the typical treatment that I was getting in other hospitals was a few antacids for a few days, which would only temporarily relieve symptoms, but I could see that my acidity, headaches, and bloating, and kind of other digestive problems kept on increasing. The first thing which caught my attention was that as soon as I had come, there was a very detailed profile format given to me to fill, which had almost all the questions one could think of related to my digestion profile, and that's when I knew that okay, these guys are serious about the patient and customizing the treatment for the patient. And yeah, for the first 3 months I was given some diet restrictions and some medicines, and I could clearly see that there was some effect. Of course, I also became a little more disciplined with my food and lifestyle choices during that period. But over a period of time, I could see that my confidence on my own fitness levels had increased. I was able to step up my exercise levels, and then yeah, in the process I lost about 10 kgs in 3.5 months. Everybody is happy about it. Yeah, I have been quite happy with all the treatment that I have received here. I'm continuing my journey. My medicines have been tapered off late, and although this was not a short-term cure for my chronic acidity problem, but I believe that I've got rid of the problems for a long time to come.